Hi friends, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to finish your embroidery on tulle hoop. It's very easy and quick way, so let's get into it. Right after I finish my embroidery, I check from the front side if any knots or maybe threads are sticking, because with embroidery on tulle you have to be careful and you don't want any additional knots or threads sticking around and ruining your design. Then I tighten the hoop to its maximum capacity and make sure the tulle is sitting there very snug. And I take my sharpest scissors and go all around the hoop and cut off the excess fabric. I try to do it as close as it can get to the hoop because I don't want any tulle to stick and be visible, and also later when you will put it on the wall, if it will have any excess fabric it will not sit, like very neat and close to the wall. That's obviously not what we want. Then I take my small embroidery scissors and go once again all around the hoop and check if any knotty pieces of tulle are still sticking, and I want to get rid of all of them. I think this way of finishing your tulle embroidery is the best because you don't want to ruin the whole vibe of tulle embroidery, which is really light and fragile and see-through. You don't want to glue the tulle to the back of your hoop because it will be visible from the front side. I always finish my tulle embroidery hoops like this and it works for me every time. It looks really neat and polished and I cannot recommend it more. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you are interested in embroidery on tulle, I have other videos on my channel, so make sure to check them out, and thank you so much for watching and I see you in my next one. Take care guys, bye!